Who is Saint Engelbert? Archbishop of Cologne, Germany, slain by hired assassins and venerated as a martyr. Engelbert was the son of the Count of Berg and became the possessor of many benefices. He was excommunicated but was restored into union with the Church. Engelbert became the Archbishop of Cologne in 1217 at the age of 30. In this office, he proved his mettle and became tutor to the son of Emperor Frederick II. In 1222, he crowned Henry King of the Romans. Engelbert was slain by his cousin Frederick, whom he had thwarted in an attempt to steal from the nuns of Essen. Engelbert was ambushed at Gavelsberg and murdered on November 7. Prayer to Saint Engelbert. O glorious Saint Engelbert, faithful shepherd and martyr for justice, intercede for us. May your courage inspire us to defend truth with love, and your devotion guide us to serve Christ with unwavering heart. Amen.